Okay, today we've got the Team Associated SC28 short course truck, Lucas Oil Products, ready to run. Everything you need, ready to go. And this thing is pretty cool. I've obviously had it open already. Comes with the stickers are all on except for the ones on the back part here, and they give you a set of red and blue, and I'm guessing that's so if you get two of them then you can put the different stickers on, and when you're racing you can tell who you are, which makes sense. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's got little small shocks in the back, solid axle up front. There's no shocks, but those kind of flex. So you get a little bit of action. They're a lot of fun. This is two-wheel drive, but they're pretty quick and decent turning radius. And if you can slide the butt around if the surface is smooth. If it's too rough, you do get a little bit of kind of bump steer wobble. Doesn't do great on tall grass. If it's kind of dirt, rocks, and a little stubble of grass, it kind of can work its way through, but can't get too crazy. The controller, nice little controller, charging cord comes out of the controller and plugs in the truck down there, and it just takes the 4 AA batteries in the controller. And I don't know how you get a fairly decent run time. I haven't run it out all the way yet. Ran it for good, probably 10 minutes at least, and didn't have an issue. And I don't know how many times you can charge it off of this before you need new batteries, but this probably doesn't use a whole lot of energy because it's really light. I like it. Good times. They're only like $54 or so it's a smoking deal for price to fun ratio. And coming up, we'll be taking a look at this sweet thing in a future episode.
Ooh, boy! laser guns and jetpacks, and a space tank. Laser guns and jetpacks, laser guns and jetpacks, and a space tank. Laser guns and jetpacks. Look at these dead flies. Laser guns and jetpacks, and a space tank.